Here's a GRE geometry question. Let's take a look. So this is a quantitative comparison question. We have two quantities, quantity A and quantity B. Quantity A is the length of a leg in a square with an area of z, and quantity B is the length of the radius in a circle with an area of z. So we want to figure out, is quantity A bigger than B? Is B bigger than A? Are they equal, or can it not be determined? All right, well, here's the bottom line. Both of these shapes have the same area, right? So I'm going to draw a square right here and a circle right here. And this square has an area of z, and this circle has an area of z. Now, maybe this isn't quite drawn to scale, but what are you going to do, right? So what is the length of a leg in a square with an area of z? Well, a square, the area of a square is just one side times the other, so call it side times side. It'll be the square root of z, right? Because the square root of z times the square root of z is z. So this value is the square root of z. All right, how about this one? Well, let's write the formula for the area of a circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So what it's telling us is that the area of this circle is going to be, z, right? The area of the circle is z, and that's equal to pi r squared. If I want to get the radius by itself, I'm going to do z divided by pi, right? Z divided by pi equals r squared, and take the square root of that. So r is equal to the square root of z divided by pi, or the square root of z divided by the square root of pi. Now, off the top of my head, I don't know what the square root of pi is. I mean, pi itself is 3.14. So some number over 3.14, the square root of 3.14. I have the same value right here, square root of z, but I'm dividing this one by something else. So by necessity, it's going to be smaller, right? This one has to be smaller because I have the same number, the square root of z and the square root of z, and I'm dividing by 1 point something. I don't know exactly what that comes out to. But quantity A has to be bigger here. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.